everybody, so I hope you're well and having the most incredible day as always. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. In today's video, I thought I would sit down and go through my current Lush favourites because firstly, this is like an OG classic. There is a hair on my face, I can feel it, sorry about that. Anyway, this is an OG kind of classic 2015, 2016 kind of YouTube video, and I absolutely love those, but also I feel like I haven't really told you guys many Lush products that I've been obsessed with recently, and I really wanted to. So we are going to go through a few items. I've grabbed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 products which I have been absolutely obsessed with. Not gonna lie to you though, some of these you can't buy anymore, but a lot of the time it's not about the scent for me, it's about how it works. So I will kind of go through those as and when. We're going to go through all the items I have been absolutely obsessed with from Lush, and I'm so excited. So without further ado, we are going to dive right in. I hope you guys enjoy the video and carry on watching. So firstly, I'm going to start off with a shower gel. Now I'm not going to lie to you, it looks like I haven't used any of this. I have been using this for the past 2 weeks and I haven't really made much of a dent in it. I use the tiniest bit, I find it goes such a long way. But this is the Fiona shower gel from the Lush Shrek collaboration. I just absolutely love this one. Not only is the colour just so fun and vibrant while you're in the shower, the smell of this is just delicious. Oh, it kind of smells like So White, but with something extra. Like it almost smells like So White mixed with passion fruit. It is so good, so fresh, so mouth-watering. Like I'm salivating smelling that. It is so good. Ingredients wise in this one, we have got fine sea salt, mango leaf absolute, violet leaf absolute, lime oil and Peachy oil, but it just smells like a tropical dream. It is so good. I just cannot recommend this enough. It is annoying that I don't think you can buy this anymore, which is such a shame. It's just so good. I need to smell it again. Honestly, this is such a fresh, mouth-watering smell. I absolutely love it, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm still using Lord of Misrule. I still love Twilight, Plum Rain, but this just hits different. It's just so fruity, so mouth-watering, and I've been absolutely obsessed with it. So that is the first thing I've been loving recently, and I would highly recommend it if you can get your hands on it. If you cannot, I'm really sorry. Unfortunately, the next item I've been absolutely obsessed with is one from a kitchen box, but this is the Peachy Rose body lotion. This body lotion to me just smells kind of like a really expensive lotion that you would receive in a hotel or in a spa. It's very gentle, very subtle, but it is the most incredible body lotion to put on after you've shaved your legs. It's so soft, but it's not too moisturizing that it leaves you feeling greasy. It's so lovely, and I'm gonna have to put some on just to show you guys. Hello. Okay, 1 minute. There we go. So this is the kind of consistency that you get with this one. It's a very kind of milky consistency. As you can see, it does melt into the skin very quickly, and I just really love that. I'm not the sort of person, I'm not gonna lie, that loves to put body lotion on and have that kind of slick, moisturized feeling all over my body. Like it makes me feel like a slug, and I don't like it, but this is so good. It sinks in really well, and it's just really nice to put on your legs, maybe your arms as well. Like after you've shaved your legs and you put your pajamas on, that is what I do with this, and I absolutely love it. Ingredients wise in this one, we have got fresh rose petal infusion, almond oil, cocoa butter, you have lippy butter, rose oil, neroli oil, jasmine. It's just so good. It's not necessarily great if you don't like the floral smells, but it is so subtle and gentle that I think you could definitely get past it. But I don't know whether you're ever going to be able to get this anymore. If it does come to the shops, then hopefully you guys can buy one, but as I said, it is just so delish. I have been obsessed with it. Sticking with the body lotion theme, one that you can buy from the shops, and that is of course Sleepy body lotion. This one is a brand spanking new one, which I'm really excited about. I just finished off an older one, but this, I'm really hoping to not spill it, is just absolutely beloved by so many people. It works so incredibly well if you have trouble sleeping at night or you just want that really comforting lavender smell. I cannot recommend this enough. I know this went basically viral maybe a few years ago when people were having trouble sleeping, but this is the kind of texture that it has. I would say it's a little bit thicker than the other one. I feel like this is a little bit more of a creamy consistency, but the smell of this, if you love Twilight, you will love this product. It just works so well to really relax you and help you go to sleep. It's the most perfect body lotion for nighttime if you do like that lavender kind of smell to kind of help you sleep better. I would say this one is a little bit more on the greasy side, like I can still feel it on my skin, whereas the other one that I just tried on has sunk in a lot better. But I will say that this, it just trumps every single thing. I absolutely love this. I cannot tell you how many of these I've gone through. I've literally had one open at all times since it's been released years ago. So ingredients wise in this one, you've got almond oil, lavender flower infusion, you've got cocoa butter, jojoba oil, lavender oil, benzoin resinoid, ylang ylang oil. It is just full of really beautiful, lovely ingredients, and it just smells delicious. Honestly, it's a 10 out of 10. It is amazing. The next product, unfortunately, was a kitchen exclusive. However, I'm mentioning it because I have been really loving this product as a whole, not necessarily just this flavour, and that is the Espresso Kitchen Exclusive Lip Scrub. Now, if you guys know me, you will know I'm a massive coffee person. I absolutely love coffee. Anything that tastes like coffee, smells like coffee, I am all for it. This is just delish. It is so good. It literally just smells like straight coffee, would you believe? Ingredients wise in this one, you've got caster sugar, you've got jojoba oil, coffee oil. I'm just absolutely obsessed with it. It literally looks like coffee with sugar. I absolutely love it. And again, as I said, I've just been really enjoying lip scrubs in general. I also have the popcorn one, which I've been using kind of alongside this, and I love them. You can either put them on your lips and wipe them off, or you can eat it. So I have, of course, been eating it, would you believe? Obsessed. Body scrub wise, I've been absolutely loving the kind of new formula where it's a lot thicker, and the one that I've been using at the moment is the Tropical Commingle, which is absolutely, it's just delish. This is what it looks like. It basically looks like a pineapple mango sorbet. It is so lovely, but I just love the texture. It's so creamy and fluffy and just very gentle but very scrubby at the same time. I have been loving these, and I much prefer the texture of these to the older formula. I find like things like Rub Rub Rub, which not only do I absolutely love, obviously it's one of my favourite things ever, I just find that I scoop it and I can drop half of it on the floor, which is a real shame, whereas this, it's just thicker, it's so good, it's just easy to apply, and this one in particular I have been obsessed with. It smells edible. It smells like a smoothie bowl. It's got a very mouth-watering kind of tropical smell, like mango, passion fruit, papaya, pineapple, that kind of vibe. And ingredients-wise in this one in particular, you have got things like bamboo stem extract, you've also got almond oil, Brazil nut oil, Cuba oil, pineapple juice, orange oil. That is definitely what I can smell. I think it's the orange. Now I smell it again, it is like an orangey smell. Oh, it's just so good. Absolutely delicious. I hope they bring this out all year round. I absolutely love it, but any scrub in this formula, amazing. And last but definitely not least are two products which I have probably mentioned in every single Lush favourites video I have ever done, and if I haven't, shame on me, because these are two of my all-time favourite Lush products ever. And if you're going to buy anything from Lush, I highly recommend these two. So the first one we have is, of course, the Mask of Magnaminty. Now this is the Shrek collaboration edition where it had the different packaging, so it is just Mask of Magnaminty. It won't look like this anymore, which is a shame, I'm not gonna lie. I really liked the Shrek pack kind of design, but ingredients wise in this one, you've got honey, kaolin, evening primrose oil, peppermint oil, vanilla absolute. Essentially, if you struggle with breakouts or anything of that nature, this is so good. I would say if you've got sensitive skin, maybe try it first, because it is quite strong and pungent, but it is just so good. It's such a strong minty smell, but the smell of this is just nostalgic to me. It really takes me back to all the Lush videos I used to do, and I would always talk about this product, and it just smells amazing. This is the kind of colour of it, so I always describe this product as the movie face mask green. You know, where you see like people in movies, they put a face mask on and it would always be this colour. That is why I call it movie face mask green, and I just absolutely love it for any breakouts that I have, or even if I just want a really nice kind of awakening, I suppose, face mask. This is a 10 out of 10. I absolutely love it, and I don't know how many of these I've used in my lifetime. I want to say we're nearing 15, maybe 20. I just love it so much. And last but definitely not least, we are sticking with the face mask theme. Which one do you think it is? I would love to know. Let me know down below in the comments right now which one you think I'm gonna talk about, because I absolutely love this product with all my heart. This is the one that I just cannot live without, and if they ever discontinue this, I think I would have a mental breakdown. So this is the Cup of Coffee Face and Body Mask. This, if you love coffee, if you love a morning kind of face mask, so if you like to have a bath in the morning or a shower, or you have a bit more time in the morning to kind of do a nice relaxing routine, this is perfect. So this essentially is what it says on the bottle. It is a coffee face mask. The only thing, I don't know if you just heard that, is that it does get extremely, I don't want to use the word moist, should we say sticky, around the outside of the lid, which is really annoying because it kind of goes everywhere. Oh, it is so worth it though. So this, I can't tip it because it's gonna spill. This is what it looks like. It is brown. It looks like cake batter. It is absolutely delish, and I just want to drink it. It's a really beautiful, very, very, very moisturizing, scrubby face mask. It's very invigorating, very beautiful if you want that nice awakening feeling. It is so, so good. Ingredients wise, you have got things like agave syrup, kaolin, coffee infusion, ground coffee, vetiver oil, vanilla absolute, coriander seed oil. It is just full of so many beautiful things, and I absolutely love it. I cannot recommend this enough. If you've got sensitive skin, I would say with these two face masks, go into the shop, see if you can get a sample, because they are both very scrubby. And I mean, I personally love that. I love washing it off and scrubbing my skin, but some of you guys might not like that, so definitely try them before you buy them. I just absolutely love these with my whole heart. This and new shampoo bar are probably the three products I could never live without. Just so good. So those are all of my current Lush favourites. I would love to know down below, what products from Lush have you been loving recently? What ones have you been using and gravitating towards? Because I would love to know. And yeah, that is everything for today's video. If you've got any Lush related questions, video ideas, please leave them down below, because I would love to answer them and I would love to film them. So that is everything for today's video. Thank you so, so much for watching as always. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.